Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the 7 streams of income most millionaires have. So hopefully I can inspire you and maybe you can start putting these streams of income into your life. So most people only have one stream of income, and that is their job, right? They don't have any rental properties, they don't have any dividends, they don't invest in the stock market. All they have is their job that pays them a steady paycheck week after week. And sure, it can be a little bit secure, but it's not really diversified, and it's not something that you can really grow in the long term and get wealthy with just being an employee. So hopefully with this video you're gonna learn something, you're gonna learn some streams of income that you can implement in your life. So without further ado, let's start with the first one, which is earned income. Earned income is your basic paycheck every week that you get from your job. Some millionaires have regular jobs, others have a small business that they're self-employed, and others have big businesses or they're investors. But the point I'm trying to make is that the first type of income that most people do have in this world is earned income. Earned income is just the exchange of your time for money. The second type of income is profit income. Profit income comes from having a business or multiple businesses. And profit income is generally you develop a business system that makes people buy your products or services at a higher price than what it costs you to produce it. And that leaves you with a profit margin, and that is your profit income. Most millionaires have big businesses or they're self-employed, they have small businesses, but in either case, their business is cash flowing them every year. And they can either reinvest that money into their business to make it grow bigger and faster, or they can just take that income and use it as income to live on. Type of income requires guts, an entrepreneurial type of mentality, and some degree of tolerance to risk and failure. And really your businesses or business can be either physical or online. In 2021, the opportunities are endless online. You know, there's drop shipping and there's courses that you can sell, there's YouTube channels and all that kind of stuff. So really making a business in 2021 is not as hard as it used to be in the 50s or 60s, or it could cost you tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars just to set up your business and buy the warehouses and the manufacturing plants and stuff. Now it's a lot easier to set up your own business. Next type of income is interest income. And interest income comes from you lending your money to someone else, and for that service, that person will give you an interest on your money. For example, if you deal with a bank, you put your money in the bank keeps it safely for you, and they give you an interest rate on your money so that you continue to keep it with them, and they can use that money to loan people your money, and that's how they make their profits. Another form of interest income could be government bonds and CDs, which is an agreement between the government and yourself that you give some money to the government and they use that money, and then as the years go by, they pay you interest rate on your money every single year. The compounding interest that your money has over time really makes this type of income profitable, and it's pretty secure because banks and governments, typically they will always pay you interest rates even if they're a little bit lower because of a recession, but most of the time it's pretty secure. The fourth type of income is dividend income. Dividend income is pretty similar to interest income, but it comes from when you buy shares of a company that goes public on the stock exchange, and that company will have what is called the yield. The higher your yield is for a particular company, the more money they will pay you per share of company owned. Dividend income is 100% passive and is acquired simply by purchasing your favorite companies and holding them, which makes this type of income a really easy one to get when you have the money to invest in them. The fifth type of income is rental income. Rental income comes from a piece of real estate that you own, that you rent out to tenants that will pay for your mortgage and your operating expenses and leave you with a positive cash flow every single month. And that cash flow is your rental income. Obviously, the more you invest in real estate, the more apartment complexes you have, the more plexes you have, the more houses you rent out, then the more that rental income will grow. Next type of income is capital gains. Capital gains comes from when you buy a stock of a company. So for example, you bought one share of Apple 2 months ago and it was worth $1,000, and now you decide to sell it because the company just announced a new product or something and the value of the shares are going up and up and up, and you decide to sell your share that you bought originally for $1,000, but it's now worth $1,500, then your capital gains would be $500. So really, this is the type of income that makes the rich get crazy rich, because they take the money that they make with their businesses and they invest it in other people's businesses that they think are going to perform well over time. And when you really know what you're doing with investing, that is where the big fortunes are made. The last type of income is called royalty income. Royalty income comes from you creating something, either it's a book or it's music, some sort of intellectual property, but they need to pay you a certain percentage of the money they earn with your creation, then that comes directly to you. So for example, if you publish a book or a Kindle book or an audio book or a paperback book, then the money that book makes you is completely passive, because the only time required to build that income source is actually writing the book and publishing it. After that, it's completely hands-off. So those are the 7 common streams of income that most millionaires have. So as you can see, most wealthy people don't rely on a single source of income. They actually rely on a couple. Most millionaires will have 3 or more of these incomes. And the result is that they get wealthier and wealthier because they diversify the way they make their money. So there is absolutely no reason you couldn't do the same. And I really encourage you to learn more about these 7 types of income and to build a couple of them so you can grow your wealth and be able to be financially independent and do whatever it is you want to do with your time. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.